Welcome back to another episode of
Daddy.
Okay. Cock-a-doodle-doo!
It's snowing.
Wait, and we snowing? Oh my gosh!
Come on.
Come on, wake up! It's snowing outside!
And we snowing outside. Come on, it's going to rain. Whoa.
Whoa.
Yes, it's have you.
Okay, I'll leave it out so we can play, and then we'll be in our way.
Oh, okay.
I'm so excited about the snow!
Really my room.
There's...
Come on, don't want toast and just and hot for me to
Okay, get them ready for the snow. We are having some technical difficulties. That's their cat, Leo.
Sorry. Are you ready to do the show? Here, hello, Sissy.
Thank you. Oh gosh, I'm so ready to go in the snow. I hope it will be fun.
Meow.
Ow! Bad cat.
No, hello. This is your time.
I know, she's being a bad girl.
No,
Well, let's go upstairs and get ready before we go in the snow. We still haven't took our bath yet.
Yeah, teach me how.
Meow.
Hey, how's upstairs? Come on, let's go upstairs. You have to race upstairs. 3, 2, 1. But for me, both it.
Yeah.
Wait for me. Right here.
Who wants to take their bath first?
Where's the bath?
Hey, your hair's on the bath, silly. Oh, I gotta call Mom. I gotta call Mom. Be right back.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
It's the mom.
And you pretend.
Oh, okay.
Beep, boop, bop, bop, bop. You be cool. No, Will, stop. Leo. Okay, I gotta call her now.
Sit down.
Thank you. Oh, your hair's so small. Why are you so small? Beep, boop, bop. Oh no, this is our electric company. Why can't I hang up? Hello, this is your electric company. Oh, well, that's amazing. I like. Okay, it hanged up. I'm good. Okay, guys, who's gonna take their bath first?
Me. I tried to run.
Okay, I'm gonna brush my teeth.
I don't want hot water. Just cold water.
Okay.
The cold one. The bath. Wait, all about it. So much fun.
Okay, let's go get ready for the snow now. Now, Kitty, you stay here.
Huh?
The kitty gonna stay here. Come on, let's go.
Go.
I can stay here with the kitty if you like.
No, but you don't be told.
Okay, everyone, let's go into the snow now. Where's the snow? Did it all melt already?
No. It didn't melt.
Then where is it? This is just a rug.
Oh man. It's this outside.
It's not snowing at all.
That's it. See this? See? Feel the snow?
It's not snowing. Oh, hey! Way out. It's not, if it's raining. I'm so wet.
Ew. Oh, it's night time anyways. Let's go to bed.
Night night, everyone. Okay, bye.